This is my intro song. It isn't very long. That's all. Go ahead. Go on, watch the video. What is up, my amazing diamond cubs? Sending greetings, salutations, love, and that positive mwah. Y'all know. I hope y'all are all doing great. Thank you so much for being back here at Very Cute Nails. If it's your first time, definitely check it out, like the video, comment, and subscribe. So today, my darlings, we are going over the Born Pretty Magic Gel Remover upgraded formula, might I add. And per their box here, as you can see, it is faster and gentler than their previous formula, which I have used on this page. So this one contains water, sea salt, glycerin, and paraffin. So you don't really read any dangerous chemicals or them $50,000 word. So as you can see, lovely packaging. I feel like they've modernized their packaging a little bit. And we have the bottle here. It's a 15 ml bottle of the Magic Gel Polish Remover. This does come with a nifty usage manual, which you should always read definitely before you begin anything. So as you can see here, they have a 6-step process. All right, y'all can read that on the screen exactly what's up. You know, you basically want to file off that top coat. Then you're going to apply a layer of that situation, the gel polish remover from Born Pretty, and it should be bubbling up. Here it's giving examples of other things that it can be used for and the time that it should take. Some tips here for the Magic Gel Remover for it to hopefully work as best as it can for you and your nails. So on the back, we have the storage situation. We have some warnings. Of course, you want to keep it away from skin, eyes, mouth. It's a nice little letter from Born Pretty to its customers. They are very transparent, and if you ask them questions, they definitely will reach back out to you with an answer. If they do not know it, they will take a little longer, but they will get back to you. Here on the screen, you see all their social medias. You can pause the video and scan them with your phone, and then click on them and subscribe to Born Pretty. So as you can see here, a gorgeous bottle matches the base and super top coat and the regular top coat they have. So I'm looking at this, it does still have that kind of like stringy-ish situation of consistency. So I know I just did these the other day. So today I'm gonna do it with, I think, a couple different ways. So I'm gonna use a hand file, 100 grit. I'm gonna use my cuticle pusher just to push everything back so I can make sure that I don't miss any spots. I had some gunk on there from, I think it was acrylic I was cleaning off or doing something, but just filed that off to make it easier. I'm gonna push back my cuticle just to the proximal nail fold. I'm gonna push that back to reveal any new growth, as well as giving me more of a space to apply this product. So as you can see, I'm using a lower number grit because I'm going to use the hand file on this one, and we're just gonna do our best. I don't want to go further than the polish, so I'm doing my best to try and just remove the top coat. Alrighty, so I have these mini little sanding bands. This one's 150 grit. If y'all notice, the drill, it's a different color. I don't even know if I used it in my last one, but the last one I dropped it, unfortunately, and it started making a noise. But I reached out to the company and they sent me a replacement within a week. It was awesome. So check them out for sure. So now we're going to use our mini sanding band with our nail drill. We're going to use this to, I believe, try to remove the top coat off of every finger. I just wanted to see if it made a difference. Hey loves, just wanted to jump in real quick. This is a 5.0. This is their 5.0 upgrade. So this gel nail polish remover is formulated with specialty enhanced solvents, does not damage the nails, and has no irritating odor. So you do not have to deal with aluminum foil and scraping. They say it's faster, about 3 to 5 minutes on average, and I believe if you really get down to the color, it's gonna work perfect. And yeah, pretty awesome product. OMG, duh. By the way, all the information for this product and where to get it will be included in the description box below. Alright, so you see I grabbed my phone. I wanted to just do a little timer situation, see how long it takes to see anything happen. And I'm just gonna do my best to apply a decent amount to every nail. The instruction booklet does say to use some sort of a barrier protection, such as a liquid latex, or you could even use those I think it's a little U-shaped sticker that you can place around the nail that will protect your skin around the nail. So I'm trying to, do as best as I can, apply as much as I could without going too crazy. And yeah, we'll see. All right, so as you can see, we're at about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I do see some action happening, not a lot. And now I'm at about 6 minutes. As you can see, it's a little further along than before, so it is doing its job. I'm gonna use my nail scraper there. This is my preferred way of trying to remove products when you're soaking off or anything like that. I don't really like that flat cuticle pusher because I feel like if you get it at the wrong angle, it could damage your nails. I know this could as well, but I don't know. I feel like this one's easier as well. So as you can see, these nails were built with polygel, and on the last video, I actually used Born Pretty's 8-in-1 builder gel in their color. I think it was like natural pink or something, number 3. And I used that to do a fill and get some more structure to the nail. So, this is going through the gel polish. I don't remember if I put base coat or not. It was polygel. Polygel's flexible, so I don't think I would have put base coat. And as you can see, it is working. And you just go ahead. I try to just usually pull away from the nail towards the free edge using that tool. But, I'll go back and forth and kind of do like a scrubbing motion for stuff that's a little more tough. All right, so in less than 10 minutes, I was able to apply and get okay removal. As you can see now, I wiped the nails and now I'm going ahead and adding another layer. Usually, when it was the previous formula, one time of putting and applying it to the nail after removing the top coat was enough. However, I'm not sure if it was, usage error. I'm not sure. I think I might have just not filed enough of the top coat away. Like, I think I maybe was just playing it too safe. But I'm going to do another coat, as you can see, and wait and see what's up. Alright, so we're at almost 12 minutes. As you can see, there is some more movement happening, and it's actually slowly starting to disintegrate the builder gel that I have there as well, which is really cool. So I'm not applying a really hard amount of pressure, but I'm being firm and purposeful as well as I can in my movements with the removal. As you can see, that pinky, pretty much almost all the polish is gone. All right, my diamond cubs. So, as you can see, it got rid of, out of 100%, I think it got rid of at least 90% of the gel polish, and it was pretty good. I don't know. I liked it. I'm not sure I'm 100% in love with this new formula, which, I admit is less toxic maybe than the other one, but I feel like if you use it properly with following the instructions, obviously, and using that latex barrier, I felt like that worked a lot better, but I digress. Here you see I have a swatch, and I used Born Pretty's blue jelly along with the blue Hairbell, I think it was called, that I used from the last video. And I did not put a top coat on this. So I applied the Situation, the Born Pretty Magic Gel Remover. And as you can see, I'm scraping it off. It's not totally difficult, but it feels very similar to the natural nail, where I felt like I kind of had to put some pretty decent pressure, So I really do think if you have your gel nail polish or even nail polish, gel nail polish or regular polish, if you have either one of those directly on your natural nails, I feel like you would get better result. But I also think, like I said, I could have filed away a lot more of the top coat, I feel. But I was really trying to be conservative with the pressure because I didn't want to get too far into the design in the blue. So, yeah. Anyway, I think it went all right. All right, my diamond cubs. So as you can see, Born Pretty and their magic gel polish remover. This new formulation works great. Y'all know I'm pushing that positive energy and smack that all on the floor. Peace out. Real quick, my loves, I continued applying and they are off. Those were poly gel and then the builder gel on top. No damage, honey. Cool. Just wanted to give you a little update. Don't mind the dog bedded mess. Peace out, love you.